Hello, friends. Uh, Today I'm going to present a video on unmanned aerial vehicles or UAV. We talk about their significance, their paradigm, merit, and issue. My name is Yusuf, and I'm going to present this video. Here you see the outline. We start with significance, continue with paradigm, merit, and finally talk about issue and finally we present a reference. Okay, let's start with significance. UAV have become indispensable in today's technological advances. UAV bringing about significant change in various fields. For example, they have revolutionized sectors such as agriculture, public safety, environmental monitoring, security, energy, and other fields. Okay. In the realm of agriculture, UAV holds great potential for precision farming, aligning with the European Union focus on sustainable and environmentally friendly agriculture practice. Additionally, UAV have proven their worth in assessing hazardous situation, conducting search and rescue, gathering evidence for investigation, and detecting potential threats. Okay, I would say that UAV play very critical role also in wireless communication. They contribute to the 5G goal. They are one of the main pillar of the 6G network. They are critical in Internet of Things and smart city, and they are playing very important roles in today's world. Okay, as you can see here, UAV play a crucial role in the development of the 5G network. UAV contribute to enhanced mobile broadband, ultra reliable and low latency communication, and also UAV contribute to massive machine type communication. Uh, in the context of the enhanced mobile broadband, UAV can provide high data rate and they can enhance the capacity of the network, particularly in densely populated or remote area. Okay. UAV can increase the capacity and improve the data rate. Okay, and this is how they contribute to the enhanced mobile broadband. Also, UAV can act as aerial base station. When the UAV act as the aerial base station, they can establish line of sight communication, and therefore they can reduce latency and establish real-time communication. Okay, UAV acting as the aerial base station establish line of sight communication, reducing latency and resulting real-time communication. And this is how these UAV are contributing to the ultra reliable and low latency communication. Okay. Moreover, UAV facilitate massive machine type communication. They facilitate the deployment of the IoT device in challenging environment. I think this is clear. Okay. Overall, you see that in this slide, you see that how UAV contribute to enhanced mobile broadband by increasing capacity, ultra reliable and low latency communication by establishing line of sight communication and reducing latency, and massive machine type communication by facilitating the deployment of the sensor in remote and harsh area. Okay, one of the most important paradigm that exists is UAV assisted sensor network. In this paradigm, we have some UAV are flying and collecting the sensory data of the ground sensor. This UAV facilitate The operation of the ground sensor increase the throughput, reduce the energy consumption, and will bring other advantage to them. Also, UAV can serve as aerial base station or relay to extend the coverage and connectivity of sensor network. Okay, this is also critical. Extend the coverage and connectivity of the sensor network. Also, nowadays we witness some advancement in UAV manufacturing. Now we have a lightweight wireless transceiver that can integrate it with UAV and enable aerial data collection. Okay, what are the merits of the UAV? Firstly, aerial data collector can rapidly deployment. This is one of the critical feature of the UAV. There is no need to any infrastructure for deploying to UAV. We can easily deploy them. We can deploy them in an agile manner, uh, and this is very important feature of the UAV, making them particularly beneficial for harsh and remote area. In remote area, we cannot easily deploy infrastructure and we can easily deploy the UAV. Okay, this is important. The second merit is that UAV have the ability to establish line of sight communication. Line of sight communication. This is this is of utmost importance for UAV. UAV can establish line of sight communication and increase the throughput. Okay, this is very critical. And another advantage of the UAV, we can optimize the mobility, we can optimize the trajectory of the UAV with respect to the requirement of the ground sensor. This is also very critical feature that contributed to the development of the UAV. Overall, if I want to summarize, UAV can establish line of sight communication, improve throughput, and they can optimize. We can optimize their mobility. This is also very critical. What issue exists? UAV data collector are positioned at much higher altitude compared to traditional terrestrial gateway. We can deploy terrestrial gateway in 10 meter or 25 meter, but UAV can be deployed in 122 meter. This is very critical. This higher altitude enable UAV data collector to achieve wider ground coverage compared to their terrestrial counterpart. Okay, when we increase the altitude, we achieve wider coverage. This is the advantage of this. Okay, the air ground channel experienced by UAV have unique feature. As you know, terrestrial channel have low channel gain due to the shadowing and multipath fading, but UAV ground sensor channel have line of sight communication and they enjoy from a higher channel gain. Okay, I think this is clear. This UAV ground sensor channel, they can establish line of sight communication and will have a higher channel gain. While in terrestrial gateway, the channel gain is low due to the shadowing and multipath fading. Overall, in this slide, we can deploy the UAV in a higher altitude, achieve wider coverage, and we can also uh, enjoy from a higher channel gain. Okay. Okay. UAV have some limitation. We have swap constraint, size, weight, and power constraint. These swap constraint limit their endurance, computational capacity, and communication capability. This is very critical. Every engineer that want to design a UAV system should take into account this swap constraint. As you can see here also, unlike terrestrial communication system, UAV have limitation for power management, and we need to design a strategy for efficient power management. Okay, overall, These swap constraints mainly impact on the endurance. Okay. And unlike a fixed terrestrial gateway, UAV poses the capability to move at high speed in three-dimensional space, allowing for controlled mobility. As I mentioned it previously, we can control the mobility of the UAV. We can optimize their mobility, optimize their trajectory according to the requirement of the ground sensor, and this is very important. Okay, UAV can optimize their position, altitude, velocity, heading direction, and trajectory to adapt to communication objectives. Okay. Okay, so we have swap constraint. Uh, we we can control the mobility of UAV, and we can optimize position, altitude, velocity, heading direction, and trajectory. Okay, you see the reference. This one is my PhD thesis at University of Porto, and also you can check out this published article by me on the Medium. Thank you very much for your attention. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.